Today we have this really cute mini marvelous microwave set to check out. And as you can see here, Minnie talks to you while you cook, and the plate spins in the microwave, and there is lights and sound. And there is a total of 8 pieces in this package. Here is the box, and this includes 1 light and sound microwave, 1 pretend popcorn bag, and 2 graham crackers, marshmallow, chocolate, pretzel, and soup can. Cool! So let's open the box and check out the Minnie Mouse microwave set. So here's the microwave, and we're gonna check out the different kind of accessories that came with it. So here's the 2 graham crackers, and it says Minnie here on them. And we also have a Minnie Mouse marshmallow.
See you later!
See you later! No, we're not gonna see you later. And the microwave is speaking by itself. And we have a pretzel. And we also have a soup can. And we got some chocolate. And a popcorn bag. So let's try out the microwave. Let's put the soup can inside. Close the door, and let's press the soup button.
Working together is so much fun.
And spin.
What a wonderful smell!
The soup is ready. So now we can drink the soup. Let's put the popcorn bag inside. No, the popcorn bag does not fit this way. We have to put it this way. Close up. We press the popcorn button.
I love making healthy snacks.
And on.
Time to enjoy our treats.
Yes, we will enjoy our treat. And it's popcorn. So let's make some magic now. We have this magical wand. So let's put in the cracker. Turn. Close the door. Abracadabra. And what do we have? Something is inside the microwave, and it's not the cracker. We have a blind bag with the Smurfs. Cool. Let's check it out. We got some stickers. And which one do we get? We get the little Smurfette. Oh, she is so
Cooking together is so
cute.
much fun.
And the microwave is still talking by itself. She is super cute here in her little car. And she's got the hat on top of her head. It's cool. So let's go, Smurfette. Whoa! Cool. Let's check out what else we have here. We got the collector's guide and the stickers. Let's see what stickers we got today. See you later, says the microwave. Okay, so we have this sticker here. We got this cool one. And we got the Smurfette snorkeling. And the Smurfs in the Western. And Smurfette in Greece. Let's put in the marshmallow. And let's see what the marshmallow can turn out for a surprise. Close the door. The marshmallow.
I love making healthy snacks.
Let's do it. Abracadabra. And what did we get? There's something pink inside. It's a blind bag with patatini. We get Flo. And here's the little diaper. And here's the collector's card. And there are 24 babies to collect. So where is Flo? Here is Flo. Right there we have little Flo. And let's check out Flo. Flo has a flower in the bag. Oh, look. So cute. Let's put on the diaper. And here's Flo with a diaper on. Super cute. Okay, so let's see if we can make any more surprises in this microwave. So let's try the pretzel and see what surprise the pretzel will give us. Press the pretzel.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Abracadabra! And we got some green blind bag in here. Let's check it out. Cool, it's a Rabbids Invade football blind bag. Let's see which one of the funny rabbits we got today. Oh, look. This is the funny one, and he's got the football in his mouth, and he's on this stretcher. Poor him. And here is the flyer. This was a really, really good gift.
I sure am hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry too. Which one of these three surprises do you think was the cutest one? Was it the Rabbids? Or was it the little cute baby Flo?
See you later.
Or was it the Smurfette? Thank you for watching Fun Toys and Happy Surprises channel. Click or tap on this video to watch it. If you want me to make more fun videos like this one, then make sure to like and subscribe. It's free. Take care everyone and see you all in the next video. Bye!